Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to take you on a journey, my journey, from being broke to becoming financially successful. It wasn't an easy road, but it was definitely worth it. Financial success is something many of us strive for, but the path to get there can be filled with obstacles. In this video, we'll explore the transformation and personal growth that comes with overcoming financial difficulties. Transforming your financial situation from debt to wealth is a journey that requires determination, discipline, and strategic planning. While the path may seem daunting, the rewards of financial freedom and stability make it a worthwhile pursuit. This guide provides you with practical steps and strategies to help you embark on this transformative journey. 1. Acknowledge and assess your debt. 1.1. Understand your debt. List all debts. Create a comprehensive list of all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, mortgages, and any other liabilities. Note the balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment for each. Calculate total debt. Sum up all your debts to understand the full extent of your financial obligations. 1.2. Evaluate your financial situation. Income versus expenses. Track your monthly income and expenses to see where your money is going. Use budgeting tools or apps to help with this process. Net worth calculation. Subtract your total liabilities from your total assets to determine your net worth. This provides a snapshot of your overall financial health. 2. Develop a debt repayment plan. 2.1. Choose a repayment strategy. Debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first while making minimum payments on larger debts. This method provides quick wins and boosts motivation. Debt avalanche method. Focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, minimizing the amount of interest paid over time. 2.2. Create a budget. Essential versus non-essential. Separate your expenses into essential, housing, utilities, groceries, and non-essential categories. Cut back on non-essential spending to free up more money for debt repayment. Allocate extra funds. Direct any extra funds, such as bonuses or tax refunds, towards your debt repayment plan. 2.3. Automate payments. Set up automatic payments. Ensure you never miss a payment by setting up automatic transfers for at least the minimum payment on all your debts. 3. Increase your income. 3.1. Side hustles. Freelancing. Utilize platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to offer your skills and services. Gig economy. Participate in gig economy jobs such as driving for Uber, delivering for DoorDash, or renting out a spare room on Airbnb. 3.2. Career advancement. Seek promotions. Look for opportunities to advance in your current job. Take on additional responsibilities, seek further training, and make your ambitions known to your employer. Switch jobs. If advancement isn't possible in your current role, consider switching jobs for a higher salary. 3.3. Passive income. Investments. Start small with investments in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Over time, these investments can grow and provide additional income. Rental income. If feasible, consider purchasing a rental property to generate monthly income. 4. Build an emergency fund. 4.1. Importance of an emergency fund. Financial cushion. An emergency fund acts as a safety net, preventing you from going deeper into debt when unexpected expenses arise. 4.2. How to build it. Set a goal. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small. Begin by saving a small portion of each paycheck and gradually increase the amount as you can afford to. 4.3. Automate savings. Automatic transfers. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure consistency and build your emergency fund without effort. 5. Smart spending and saving habits. 5.1. Frugal living. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses. This could include dining out, subscriptions, or impulse purchases. Shop smart. Use coupons, buy in bulk, and take advantage of sales to save money on groceries and household items. 5.2. Delayed gratification. Wait before buying. Implement a waiting period for non-essential purchases. This helps avoid impulse buys and ensures you're making thoughtful spending decisions. 5.3. Automate savings. Pay yourself first. Automatically transfer a portion of your income to savings and investment accounts before spending on other things. 6. Invest for the future. 6.1. Understand investment basics, risk and return. Higher returns typically come with higher risks. Understand your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. Diversification. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, to reduce risk. 6.2 Retirement accounts. Employer-sponsored plans. Contribute to employer-sponsored retirement plans like a 401k or 403b, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Consider opening a traditional or Roth IRA for additional retirement savings. 6.3 Stock market, long-term perspective. Invest with a long-term horizon to ride out market volatility. Compounding works best over time. Index funds and ETFs. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs that track market indices. They offer diversification and have lower fees than actively managed funds. 7. Seek professional help. 7.1. Financial advisors, guidance and planning. A financial advisor can provide personalized advice, help you develop a comprehensive financial plan, and keep you accountable. 7.2 Credit counselors, debt management plans. Certified credit counselors can assist in creating a debt management plan, negotiating with creditors, and providing financial education. 8. Monitor and adjust your plan. 8.1 Regular review, monthly check-ins. Review your budget, debt repayment progress, and savings every month. Adjust as needed to stay on track. Annual reviews. Conduct a thorough review of your financial plan annually. Update your goals and strategies based on your progress and any changes in your circumstances. 8.2. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge progress. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Each paid-off debt or savings milestone brings you closer to your ultimate goal. 9. Mindset and motivation. 9.1 Positive mindset. Believe in your journey. Stay positive and believe in your ability to achieve financial freedom. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your success. Stay inspired, read success stories, listen to financial podcasts, and surround yourself with supportive individuals who encourage your goals. 9.2 Visualization and affirmations. Visualize success. Regularly visualize your financial freedom and the benefits it will bring to your life. Use affirmations. Reinforce your commitment with affirmations like, I am in control of my finances, or I am becoming debt-free. Transforming your financial situation from debt to wealth is a challenging yet rewarding journey. By acknowledging and assessing your debt, developing a strategic repayment plan, increasing your income, and adopting smart spending and saving habits, you can pave the way towards financial freedom. Investing for the future, seeking professional help, and maintaining a positive mindset will further support your transformation. Remember, the journey from debt to wealth is unique for everyone. Stay committed, remain adaptable, and continuously educate yourself on financial matters. With persistence and strategic planning, you can achieve financial stability and build lasting wealth. In summary, transforming from being broke to becoming financially successful requires perseverance and determination. It's about making small changes every day, staying committed to your goals, and never giving up. Remember, your financial success is within reach if you believe in yourself and take action. I encourage you to share your own transformation stories in the comments below. Let's support and inspire each other on this journey to financial success. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on personal finance and success. Together, we can all achieve our financial goals. Thanks for watching.